right, Titus, where are we?
I actually don't know the name.
It's the Friendship Fountain.
Okay.
Abby, where are we?
We're at the Friendship Fountain.
All right. Where are we, Mommy?
We're at the fountain.
Everybody's got
It's cold. It's kind of chilly.
It's not that cold.
It's a little chilly.
Oh my gosh. Judah, where are we?
We're at... Oh, I know where
We're at the river.
I'm trying to think of something. Wait, I know.
Lord have mercy.
We're at Jacksonville.
Yuck, yuck.
We're at Jacksonville.
It hit 75 degrees. Actually, today I think
We're at Enemy Falls.
what temperature is it right now?
Enemy Falls.
It's like not even 70. It's like 72 maybe. 75 degrees.
It's colder.
I love
Wusses.
And it's
Wusses.
been 90 degrees. So, you know.
Look at my family. There's a sweatered child. There's a sweatered child. It's a sweatered wife and a sweatered
it.
child.
My hands aren't even in my
Oh my gosh.
arms.
You think it's like the middle of winter here or something. It's the first cold snap of the year. And we're happy.
So many people running
Yeah?
today.
Yes, we are happy. I'm so happy.
Dad, you forgot about me saying I'm a sweater child.
I got
No,
you.
he got you.
I'm a hoodie child.
You're a hoodie child.
About this bridge?
Abby, is it windy?
Yeah.
What do you think about the bridge?
I'm scared of heights.
Oh, it's not that high. Going up the bridge. Shad Khan's boat. Yeah.
When we get there, let's play some tag.
What's left of the landing? Yes.
Buildings there that I can get a giant
Abby.
blue screen with some clouds.
Are you having fun? Better watch out, Mommy's it. Run, Titus. Everybody stay away from Mommy. She's going after Judah. Oh, he's got it. Run faster, Judah, run! Put your arms out. Oh.
I don't want to die.
You have to put your arms out so you can run faster. Silly boy.
Psych.
Here you get it.
Sweater doesn't count, by the way.
No, you have to touch it with your hands. Uh-oh, sweater's coming off. He's getting serious now.
Oh, yeah, girl. Get it.
You trying to take it off?
Oh, yeah,
Oh no.
Oh, that's so mean.
Abby's it. Abby's it. Oh, 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 she ran right by. Nope, she didn't want to get me. Oh, I guess she wants to get me. Oh, Daddy's it.
Are you serious?
Yes. Why are you running
I
backwards?
didn't know where Titus was.
Oh. Mommy's it. No tag backs. That was an accident. Tag backs. Abby, have you had fun tonight?
yeah.
Oh, yeah. Was it a fun walk? No, you wouldn't have really been able to see them as far away as they were. So I'll have to narrate what happened. We walked down and saw Shad Khan's boat, which is a, not just a boat, it's a mega yacht. It's an ocean liner. Anyway, come on, Abby. But then on the way back, we looked, and there in the river,
Dolphins.
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 How many dolphins were there, Judah?
There's probably 10 to 15.
Yeah, there was a whole pod. How many dolphins were there, Abby?
10.
I think 10.
Oh, I think 10. Mommy says 10.
I don't know.
There was a whole bunch, and they were all jumping all the way up out of the water. A pod's worth amount of dolphins, yes. And they were jumping up out of the water, getting something. It was really cool.
It was fun.
It was cool, right?
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. Going up over the bridge. Up over the bridge we go.
We were going to go under the bridge right here on.
No, I said over. Abby, stay on one side. All right, here we go. And the sunset. That's really pretty. Worth this for this big crane into view. the Friendship Fountain?
Yeah, the Friendship Fountain.
Okay.
Just keep going, just keep going. So loud. What's that, dirt bike?
Yeah. So loud, huh? But so beautiful. Yeah. It's just... We've reached the end of our trip.
What's the beginning?
Back at the beginning.
I kind of want to swim in there.
Daddy, can I get on?
What you guys see?
Daddy, can I go? Daddy, can you hold me for me to see?
Yes, I can hold you up for you to see. Sit down on this. Fling your legs over.
Whoa.
There you go. I won't let you fall. Yep, there's Titus all the way over there. Pedaling, 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 pedaling. Going around and around and around and
What
around.
are
There used to be fountains. I think they still might be, but I don't know if they work. You made it, Titus.
I think the maintenance was so much money to maintain it.
You think that's why they're not on?
Yeah. Or it's just like not the season for it, maybe.
I don't know.
I like the
Who will know?
water.
Do you know, Abby?
Remember that nickel that you gave me? Yeah, I still have it.
Don't throw a nickel into here. It's a waste of money.
Dad. What schmuck? You can buy I've already had.
Save it. Save your nickels and dimes.
I never got
How do you think Sean Conn bought his boat?
I never got it. I never got
You
it.
said you wanted to be able to buy a boat like that. You better start saving your nickels and dimes.
You guys can see the blue along the bridge a little bit.
I wanted to like
Oh, the blue lights. Yeah. What?
I want a nickel.
You want a nickel?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you a nickel.
When?
As soon as I have one. All right, to the truck. We're going. Yeah, we had a fun time.